Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to edit copyright text in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click Online Store. The themes page opens. Find your theme, click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In the filter, search for base.ts. You'll see a file named base.ts. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, hit enter to add a new line. Next, we'll go to hostube.net, find the code we need and click the copy button. After copying, we'll return to Shopify and paste our code on the blank line. In the first line of the pasted code, you'll see the text to change in the copyright. It will remove the current text and replace it with new text. I've put a default text. Your store, all rights reserved. You can edit anything in quotes. Where it says your store, I'll delete that and put my store's name. You can put whatever text you want here. It's up to you. I'll leave it as the default for now. After that, click the Save button in the top right corner. Now, when you access your store, I have mine open here. You'll see the old copyright. I'll refresh the page and you'll see the new copyright text. You've successfully edited the copyright text to what you wanted. I hope this video has been helpful. Goodbye.